Pag kumain tayo sa five-star hotel, may naririnig tayong music. Pag kumain ka ba sa karinderya at may music galing sa radyo, ay copyright infringement ba ito? No? Nakakatawang desisyon. Pero sabi ng Korte Suprema na ang copyrighted music na play doon sa isang eatery or karinderya constitutes copyright infringement. So actually, bawal ang public performance ng music pag ito ay copyrighted, no? Public performance, it includes playing, dancing, acting, or otherwise performing the work directly or indirectly through any device and at a volume that is not for private use only. So very clear naman, pwede kang magpatugtog sa karinderya. Pero kung yung sounds mo, yung music mo hanggang kanto ang dating, then that would be an infringement on the copyright of the composer. So soft music siguro para lang hindi tayo magkaroon ng copyright infringement.